Hello class, today we're going to learn the use of there is and there are, que significan el verbo haber en inglés. Esto quiere decir que lo vamos a utilizar cuando queremos decir que hay algo en algún lugar. So let's begin. First we're going to talk about there is. We are going to use there is when it's singular. Okay? So remember, we use singular for one thing. Okay? Acuérdate, vamos a decir there is cuando queremos decir que hay una cosa. Okay? There is the long form. And we can write there is in the short form. Okay? So we are going to use a contraction. Lo vamos a hacer corto. So instead of saying there is, we can say there's. En lugar de decir there is, podemos decirlo en su forma corta que es there's. So for example, there is one clock. Or we can say there's one clock. Hay un reloj. There is one board or there's one board. Hay un pizarrón. Now, for example, talking about a bedroom, we can say there's a bed, there's a teddy, there's a rug, and there's a doll. Well done, class. Now, let's learn the use of there are. We're going to use there are for plural. Remember, we use plural for two or more things. Okay? They can be 2, 3, 4, 100. Okay? So, vamos a usar there are cuando es plural. Acuérdate que usamos plural cuando son dos o más cosas. Y en este caso vamos a usarlo para decir que hay dos o más cosas. So, pay attention. There are cannot be written in contraction. No podemos escribir there are en contraction. Este no tiene forma corta, entonces siempre lo vamos a escribir como there are, ¿ok? So, for example, here, there are chairs, there are tables. Or here, there are books, there are drawers. We can say here, hay libros, hay cajones, okay? Now we are going to watch the video, okay? So pay attention.
Look, there's a doll on the rug. There are books under the bed.
Sorry. I can tidy up. Look, Grandma. My room is tidy now.
Good girl, Rosie. Well done. Now the flat is tidy.
No, it isn't, Grandma. Look in the kitchen.
Do you like my hat? Oh, Billy.
Okay, you can watch the video again and pay attention on the sentences there's and there are. Now, everybody open your class book in page 97 and here on the top write the short date, okay? Now, first, read aloud these sentences. Lee en voz alta estas oraciones. Now let's go to exercise number 3. You have to complete the sentences using there's and there are, okay? Remember to write the capital letters and the apostrophe with red color. And finally, in exercise number 4, you are going to look at the pictures here and say, how many blankets, for example, and you're going to say, there's 1 blanket. Or for example, in number 2, how many pillows? Or you can say, how many pillows are there? And there are 3 pillows. And then you continue with the other drawings, okay? When you finish, close your class book and open your workbook in page 97. Remember to write the short date here on the top. And pay attention. You are going to read the sentences and choose the correct answer, ¿ok? Lee las oraciones en voz alta para que practiques tu lectura y circulas la respuesta correcta, ¿ok? Now, in exercise number 2, you have to look at the picture and write the correct answer here. For example, number 1, a cupboard. First, look where is the cupboard, and then you write the correct answer, okay? For example, here, there's a cupboard. Number 2, for books. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write there's or there are. And continue with the other sentences, okay? Remember to read the sentences aloud. When you finish, close your class book and pay attention. You are going to copy this on a worksheet. Recuerda que no es necesario que lo imprimas. Lo puedes copiar en tu ficha de trabajo, ¿ok? And then, it's family time. Pay attention. You are going to describe your bedroom and say all the things you have using there's or there are. And encourage your parents to do the same, ¿ok? Vas a describir tu recámara y vas a decir todas las cosas que tengas usando there's para una cosa o there are for 2 or more, ¿ok? Y después vas a animar a tus papás a que hagan lo mismo en su recámara. When you finish, sing the goodbye song, ¿ok? Goodbye class, see you tomorrow.